How to turn on and enable captions on YouTube short video. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your YouTube short. I have this video right here, for example, as you can see. Now this video I want to enable the captions, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go down here, click on those three dots down here in the corner, click on them. Now click on the captions, as you can see. After you click captions, now you can enable it from here if there is a captions. And yeah, click here, English auto generated. Now I turn it on, the English auto generated captions. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.